everyone. Mama Recycle is on her way to collect our recycling. Here she comes now, right on time.
Aw, and Baby Truck's here too. Oh, what's wrong, Mama?
Spinning screwdrivers. Your suspension needs repairing. You'll need to rest while we fix you.
Oh, are you worried because there's more recycling to collect?
Huh? Oh, Baby wants to help. Ah, thank you, recycling team. Well done. Never mind. The important thing is you tried to help. And if at first you don't succeed, try again. Red and yellow can fix Mama's suspension, while blue, green and I help Baby become a recycling truck.
Just like her Mama.
What tools do we need? Wrench, spray paint. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. These boxes will help us recycle right. So let's glue them down, nice and tight. A grabbing arm is what you'll need to pick up recycling with safety and speed. A fresh coat of paint and labels stuck. Baby's now a recycling truck! You just relax, Mama Recycle. Red, blue and yellow will look after you. Let's put our fix to the test. Go, go, Baby Recycling Truck! That's it, Baby Truck. Now which box does the metal can go in? That's right! Now to collect the rest of the recycling. Success! All done. Now back to the garage. Great job, everyone! We helped to save the planet, and Mama had a well-earned rest. Goodbye, everyone.